Hi loves! Okay, today we're going to make soft caramel toffees. They're chewy and stretchy and absolutely delicious, so buttery and soft. We're going to make them for maybe yourself, maybe someone else, maybe both, because it's a pretty big batch. So you can make for multiple people, and especially with the holidays coming up, it is such an easy gift to give. And delicious, of course. So let's get started. so much for watching. I hope you like it. I hope you're going to try the recipe. But please like and subscribe for more DIY videos. And I see you next Friday with a new video. Thank you.